Picture this, you're in a high-stakes situation, and with a calm mind and precise actions, you outsmart everyone around you. Sounds like Ayanokoji, right? Welcome, everyone, to Beyond the Obvious. Today we are diving deep into the world of Ayanokoji Kiyotaka, from Classroom of the Elite. How does he maintain such incredible physical strength? What makes his intelligence so unparalleled? And how does he manipulate situations with such precision and ease? Stick around and you will find the answers to these intriguing questions. I have put in countless hours of research and analysis to bring you this ultimate guide to become like Ayanokoji. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. And hey, if you stay till end, I have got you a special bonus tip that you can start applying right now in your life. Chapter 1. Ayanokoji's Strength. Strength isn't just about having muscles. It's about enduring the overcoming obstacles that would break most people. Ayanokoji's strength is not a result of casual gym visits. It's a product of relentless, rigorous training. Imagine being able to endure anything life throws at you, with the same calm and poise as Ayanokoji. To build this kind of strength, you need to adopt a disciplined workout routine. Focus on core exercises, high-intensity interval training, and endurance-building activities. Strength isn't just built in the gym, it's also forged in the mind. Embrace the mindset of pushing beyond your limits, just as Ayanokoji does. Chapter 2. Unmatched Intelligence. What if you could outthink everyone around you and stay a step ahead? Ayanokoji's intelligence is the sharpest weapon. He possesses the ability to analyze situations, anticipate outcomes, and devise flawless plans. This isn't mere luck. It's a result of constant learning and critical thinking. Imagine always being the sharpest person in the room. To develop such intelligence, immerse yourself in knowledge, read extensively, explore various subjects, and challenge your brain with puzzles and strategic games. Develop a habit of critical thinking. Question everything. Seek deeper understanding and never accept information at face value. Start with reading books on psychology, strategy, and logic. Engage in activities like chess or brain teasers that stimulates your mind. The more you feed your brain, the sharper it becomes. Chapter 3. Mastering the Art of Manipulation. Ever wished you could predict and influence the actions of those around you, just like Ayanokoji? Ayanokoji's manipulation skills are not about deceit. They stem from his deep understanding of human behavior and psychology. He knows how to read people, predict their actions, and subtly influence their decisions. Imagine having this kind of control in your interactions. To master manipulation, you need to hone your observation skills, study body language, learn to read sub-cues, and understand the motivation of those around you. Develop emotional detachment, stay calm and composed no matter the situation. This way, you can objectively analyze and influence the outcomes. Now comes the bonus point. Chapter 4. Planning. What if you could always stay one step ahead of your competition? Ayanokoji's strategic planning and foresight are what truly sets him apart. He operates from the shadows, never seeking the spotlight, and always playing the long game. This ability to anticipate the future events and plan accordingly is the key component of his success. To develop a proper plan, start by setting long-term goals and breaking them down into smaller, actionable steps. Regularly review and adjust your plans based on new information. Always think several moves ahead, just like a master chess player. Begin by creating a detailed plan for your major goals. Consider potential obstacles and plan your responses in advance. By thinking strategically and staying flexible, you will be prepared for any situation that arises. Want to dive deep into the mind of Ayanokoji Kiyotaka? Check out this next video. And do not forget to subscribe to Beyond the Office.